Welcome back. There was a heated argument between Pedne MLA Rajendra Arlekar and parents of students of government primary and middle school at Hasapur. Parents went on hunger strike for lack of teacher in school. Since 6 months, there is a need of a teacher in school. Parents informed that despite of several applications to the ADI of Pedne and concerned authorities, there was no action. But instead of assuring a teacher, Arlekar lectured the parents for protesting.
इतल्याच म्हाका सांगतो भुरग्यांक रस्त्यार हाडपाची पद्दत बरोबर आसा की इतलेंच सांग दोन शिक्षक नाही तेजेर आमी मागीर उलोवया ही पद्दत बरोबर आसा तूं तुज्या भुरग्यांक घरान तुमकां जेवपाक दिवंक ना जाल्यार रस्त्यार हाडून बसयता ही पद्दत आसा सर आमी पेडण्या वचून तुमच्याकडे येवन हय रे हांव म्हाका एक सांगात हय रे लेटर हांव त्या प्रश्नाचेर उलयत ना ह्या भुरग्यांक तुमी अशें रस्त्यार हाडपाची पद्दत खंयची पद्दत रे बाई येयली भुरगीं आपूण जावन येयली तुम्ही हाडली अगो पण तुम्ही कित्याक हाडली तांकां रस्त्यार प्रश्न तुमचो आसलो प्रश्न तुम्ही हाडप जाय आसलो कोणा कडेन तुमकां जर हेच करपाचें आसा न्ही जाल्यार करात म्हाजें कांयच म्हणणें ना तुम्ही जर म्हाजे कडेन तुम्ही जर म्हाजे कडेन येयले तुम्ही एडीआय कडेन गेले हांवें सांगलें न्ही प्रश्न सोडयतलो म्हणून सांगलें की ना तेन्ना तुमकां हांवें परत धाडले हांवें तुमकां म्हाज्या आयकत तरी तर तेज्या खातीर हांचे कडेन शिक्षक ना.
FC Goa will be motivated big time ahead of Wednesday's clash against Kerala Blasters at Fatorda. That is because if they win this match at Nehru Stadium, Zico's boys will continue their remarkable rise and move up to 3rd position in the ISL table. FC Goa are currently placed 4th while Kerala occupy the 3rd position in the ISL standings. FC Goa will approach this game full of confidence after a convincing 2-0 victory over FC Pune City in their last home game.
Zico is delighted with FC Goa's tremendous fight back that has seen the Goan team move from bottom of the table and up into the semi-final position in less than 2 weeks. FC Goa have picked up 7 points from their last 3 matches after struggling in the initial part of the ISL with just 5 points from 7 games. However, the legendary Brazilian will use all his experience to keep the boys focused, as even a small mistake could prove costly in the highly competitive first edition of ISL, where any team can win on a given day.
Solideiro na equipe, mas o time acertou em alguns setores, as bolas estão entrando, então eu acho que se a gente tivesse jogado mal a primeira fase, mas não jogamos mal.
So it is part of football. So as the games pass by, our team will become more solid. The mistakes that we made, we correct it. But even in the first rounds, we were not playing bad. So we create a lot of opportunities, but we didn't score. But now the goals are coming, so the victory are coming also.
Like FC Goa, Kerala Blasters too had a slow start to their ISL campaign, but have managed to perform better as the league progressed. Kerala will look to upset FC Goa and move above Atletico de Kolkata into the 2nd position.
So at the moment, pleased with what's going on with the results, the way the team are playing, the way the squad is working, more importantly. And looking forward to a good game tomorrow.
It is not so difficult, but I'll be enjoying playing in the home ground. So we'll try to win the match. We are trying to win all the matches to be first.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.